uploading this video based on a copyright claim that was made on the old one. This was originally recorded in 2019 before the COVID restrictions took place. The Yarra Valley Chocolaterie has since expanded. Leave a comment below if you'd like us to return and show you the changes. COVID restrictions have since eased, which means it is likely to be way more busy than usual. There are some pretty cool products here. I can personally vouch for the bath fizzers. Around the store, you can see chocolate from around the world. And of course, the Great Wall of Chocolate. While you're there, you can see the Chocolate Factory in action. Oh, and you can't forget about the 1 meter chocolate bar. That's ridiculous. Or maybe you'd like 1 kilo of chocolate, you know. They've also got so many real hot chocolate options, like you can put milk in a cup full of chocolate, or you can swirl around a chocolate whisk into hot milk, and it's delicious. I highly recommend. So the giant freckles that you can see here are now named polka dots because Nestle kicked up a fuss about it. Oh, and you can't forget about the ice cream. There are so many cute little individual chocolates that you can choose from that come in all different flavours, so we couldn't help ourselves and had to pick some up. Oh, here I've got the mango tango and it was delicious. So yeah, if you like that, hit the subscribe button. Bye.